Bowie, super coach here. It's a bit noisy, just finished the gym and a sauna. I was just thinking about Stoicism, and I thought I'd just remind everyone just about a few key features of Stoicism that have definitely helped me. I might run through what it means, what the history is, who are the prominent ancient Stoics, what are the 4 Stoic virtues, what's the Serenity Prayer that's sometimes used, what's the inner Citadel, what are my favourite Stoic sayings, for example. So, the definition of Stoicism effectively, or if you want the objective definition, is it's a type of philosophy really that teaches the development of self-control, fortitude, if you will, and it's a means to overcome destructive emotions, I suppose, and it really emphasises some type of rational thinking as a virtue, as a path to living a really good life. And it's not what happens to you in life, it's how you interpret and what you do about it. I suppose in terms of the history of Stoicism, if you looked at it, it began around 300 BC in Athens, founded by a dude called Zeno of Citadel. He basically taught that virtue, which was derived from wisdom, is the highest form of living and the highest form of goodness. The prominent Stoics during the Roman Empire were leaders and thinkers. If you look at the key ones, Seneca himself, he was a Roman statesman and also a playwright. He wrote extensively on really practical ethics. You had Epictetus, pretty cool dude. He was a former slave whose teachings basically were compiled into this incredible book, if anyone wants to ever read it, called the Enchiridion. Certainly something to look up, and it really focuses on personal freedom, so I'd highly recommend that. Marcus Aurelius, people would have heard of, great Roman emperor from Rome. And his meditations, or sayings if you like, provide a really good insight into applying Stoicism into your daily principles of life. So if you look at the 4 Stoic virtues, I've got a ring that constantly reminds me of them, and the ring has the 4 Stoic virtues of them. Courage is on there, and that's a lion, which basically reminds you about the strength to face challenges with a form of resolve. I've got justice on there, which is some scales. That's basically just fairness in dealing with others and understanding our social connections. I've got temperance, which is a wine flask, basically living in moderation, or the practice of self-control or discipline in all aspects of your life. And then we've got wisdom, which is an owl, and that gives us the ability to differentiate between what is good, bad, and indifferent in life as well. Then we have a look at the Serenity Prayer. It's not a religious thing at all, the Serenity Prayer. It's, God, please grant me the serenity to accept the things I can not change, and please provide me the courage to change the things I can, and the wisdom to know the difference. It's actually used at Alcoholics Anonymous or any form of addiction meetings, actually, all the time. The inner Citadel is something we talk about a lot as Stoics. That's the metaphorical mental fortress or emotional fortress that Stoics build within them to really maintain peace and resilience against all the external chaos. It's a place of inner strength, and it's something you need to protect to provide stability during some really challenging times. And keeping my inner Citadel impervious is so important. What are some classic Stoic sayings? One of them is memento mori, which I've got here on a little bracelet. Basically it means we're all going to die, but it's not meant to be morbid. It's just a reminder of our mortality, and it really encourages us to value our time and live life with meaning. Another one is amore fati, that's also Latin, and that just means accept fate, love fate, but also acceptance of loving one's fate and promoting a positive outlook on life's challenges that it brings to you. So, in conclusion, I suppose Stoicism is something that if you practice these principles every day, which has really helped me, and you incorporate it as part of your everyday tapestry, and you live with virtue, you protect your inner citadel, you can definitely navigate life's adversity and challenges that it throws at you. Peace, live with virtue. God bless. Bowie out.